What's good, YouTube? It's Endless, checking back in with another video. Today I'm going to be giving you a review. I've got a Chevy Tahoe LTZ. It's a 2011, and I just want to show you my setup. I'm going to start firsthand by shutting this. I do keep the amp up underneath the seat. Please ignore some of the stuff I have up here. I'm in the middle of doing some stuff. But anyway, so here's the seat. As you can see here, I keep the amp up underneath it. Press this button here, pop it up. I did go with the Planet Audio Anarchy. Link down in the description below if you want to copy my setup and purchase this. But it's 2400 watts. It's a nice clean install. I did pay a gentleman to run the positive and negative and the remote wires, but the rest of it I wired up myself, all the speakers and everything. I ran it up underneath the carpet all the way to the trunk. This amp works really good. I paid about $150 for this amp. I know that sounds cheap for a 2400 watt, but it works great. It's a 4-channel amp. I have 2 channels that are dedicated for subs, and it even says that. It's the reason why I purchased this amp, is because it's a great amp. It's a great 4-channel amp if you want to run subs and maybe run some 6x9s or tweeters, etc. Yeah, man, it looks great. 70 amps here. Each one of these are 35 a piece. I just love the stealth build. It's so nice and clean. I did fold this backwards to make some room, and I have another video showing the full install. No real issue with overheating or anything. I've had no issues with the protection light coming on or anything like that. So overheating has not been a problem. Now on to the back here. I have 2 6x9s, Kenwoods, and I have 2 10-inch Kenwood Exelion subs. These are 10 inches. They're subwoofers. They work great, ported in the middle. It does take up all of my trunk, but man, does it sound good, especially when you're out and about. You're shoveling rock, you're working outside, you got the trailer here, you pop the trunk, you can listen to music, tailgate special. It works great. I am going to be making some modifications on this though, upgrading some speakers. I'm actually thinking about getting rid of these subs, maybe just getting 118, but you know, we'll see where the time goes. But this is my setup right now, and man, I'm extremely satisfied with it. And we also have these tweeters up here, JL Audio tweeters. Makes a huge difference with your high end. It's your boy Endless. Like, comment, subscribe. Links down in the description below for any of the products I've listed today. And if you have any comments, put them down below and let me know. Do you have a video or a YouTube short? I'll check out your channel and check out your build. But it's your boy Endless. Peace. If you enjoyed today's content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more how-tos and unboxings and tech-related content coming your way. It's your boy Endless. Peace.